Hi guys, do you know you can actually make a whitening face cream using Dr. Jane's Milk Whitening Cream? I'll be giving you a tips on how you can make a safe lightening or whitening face cream using this Dr. Jane's Milk Whitening Cream. So guys, stay tuned and watch this video to the end because I'm going to be giving you so many recipes or formula that you can use to formulate an effective whitening safe face cream using this Dr. Jane's Milk Whitening Cream. Okay guys, watch the video to the end because you have a whole lot to learn at the end of this video. Alright guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is HBM Organic Beauty. I'm actually excited today. So if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell below so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. I'm so excited today. One of my subscribers turned client, turned friend, turned sister sent me a gift all the way from US. Like seriously, I really want to appreciate you. So guys, can you see my package? Yeah, Madam Kafaya sent this to me all the way from US. Like seriously, I want to say thank you so much. God bless you. You did well. I really appreciate you a lot. Thank you very much. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's proceed. First of all, this is not a sponsor video. I am not doing this just to sponsor this brand. I'm just making this review and I'm giving this tutorial on how you can make use of this cream to achieve a good result because of my love for this product. Like seriously, before I started formulating my own handmade products, I use this a lot. I've been working with this a very long time and it's wow, it's so good. So that's why I'm here today to talk about Dr. Jane's Milk Whitening Cream. So what does this cream do? This cream is actually good for face and body, but for those of you who like to promix your cream, you can use this cream as your face cream base. And it's a mild lightener. Forget the whitening cream that they wrote on it. It does not really give you that whitening. It's a mild lightener. This cream contains aqua, which is water. It contains cetyl alcohol, mineral oil, glycerin. It contains a whole lot of good oils here, and it also contains titanium dioxide, which serves as your sunscreen. It also contains triethylamine. It contains triethylamine, which means this product is pH balanced. And the lightening active that I'm seeing here is a niacinamide. Yeah, niacinamide, as we all know, is a mild lightener, especially when you use niacinamide at 5%. For me, I like using niacinamide at 5%. So this cream is a mild lightener. It contains niacinamide. Niacinamide is your vitamin B3. Niacinamide is very good for the body, is very good for the face. Whenever I want to make my sunburn remedy, I use my niacinamide. Now it depends on the percentage usage rates you want to make use of it, but niacinamide is very good for the face and is very good for the body. Now this cream will not give you the whitening like I said. If you want to see the lightening effect of this, you have to promix it. You either promix using your lightening powders or you promix it using your lightening serum, depending on how you want to promix it. I'll be breaking these tips into 3 categories. Number 1 category is if you want to maintain your skin. Probably you're a light skin person, a caramel skin person, or a chocolate skin person, and you just want to maintain that skin. You can use this to maintain your skin. Yes, it will maintain your skin, it will glow your skin. It's very lovely. Most time I just apply this alone. You know, I always say it on my channel that personally I don't apply lightening cream all throughout the week. I do one day off, one day on, one day off, one day on. Or at times I just apply my lightening cream 4 times in a week. Then the rest of the days in that week I just apply my body glow oil, or I apply any mild moisturizing cream like this. So Like I'm saying, if you're a fair person, you're naturally fair, you have a caramel skin or you have a dark skin and you want to maintain that skin color, you don't want to tamper with your skin color, you can use this only. Yes, you can use this, just apply morning and night, morning and night, morning and night. You can use this, you're good to go. Now the third category is that if you want to achieve like 2 to 3 shade lighter skin, using this alone, it will not work. Please let me tell you the truth, it will not work. Forget the whitening, especially for we blacks, we in Nigeria here. You know this is a Thailand product and you cannot compare your own skin with the skin of those people there in Thailand. They are fair already. Yes, they are fair. You're dark, you're trying to, top up your skin tone, and you now think using this alone will give you that whitening effect. No, it will not give you that whitening effect. Now I've said it that if you want to maintain and glow that skin tone you have, you don't want to tamper with your skin tone, you don't want to use anything lightening, you can use only this. Now if you know you want to achieve 2 to 3 shade lighter skin with this as your base, then I'm gonna be telling you how you can promix this to have a safe skin whitening lotion or cream. Then you have to promix this. Promixing in a way that I don't mean you have to add in tubes or you adding in acidic serum or adding in ash serum. No, I'm gonna be giving you tips on how you can actually promix this, and you will do a safe promixing with your lightening powders. You're gonna do a safe promixing, and by the time you use this up to like 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, you will see a tremendous great lightening effect happening on your skin. This is not a practical video but theory video. I'll be giving you a formula on how you can make 125 grams of whitening face cream. So I hope you're with your pen and you're with your book, because right now you got to be ready to write. So guys, for you to make 125 gram size of your whitening face cream using your Dr. James Milk whitening cream as your base, you need this lightening powders. I'm gonna be mentioning the lightening powders you need to make this cream a whitening or lightening face cream. Number 1 powder on our list is your Arbutin powder. You need 2.5 grams of your Arbutin powder. Number 2 powder on our list is your glutathione powder. You need 2.5 grams of your glutathione powder. Number 3 on our list is your Giga White powder. You need 6.25 grams of your Giga White powder. Number 3 on our list is your rose water. You need 12.5 ml of your rose water. Number 5 on our list is your lactic acid. You need your lactic acid, 1.25 ml of your lactic acid. Then number 6, which is the last, is your Dr. James Milk whitening cream, which serves as your base. You will need this 100 grams of your Dr. James Milk whitening cream as your base cream. So these are all the recipe you need to make a whitening face cream using Dr. James Milk whitening cream as a base. And like seriously, this cream is very effective. Number 1, why I said it's very effective is that it is very safe. You didn't add in tube, you didn't add in any acidic serum. It is very safe. It will clear sunburn, it will take off dark spots away from your face. Yes, it will take off dark spot, and again it will fight anti-aging because of the rose water that you incorporated into it. It will fight anti-aging, it will firm your skin, it will help wrinkle fade. So you can see that this cream is very safe when you incorporate it this way. Now, how do you mix this cream? This is how you can mix this cream. In a stainless bowl, pour in your rose water, double boil the rose water so that it will be warm. After you've double boiled the rose water and you made it warm, bring down the rose water. After you've brought down the rose water, add in your Arbutin powder, add in your glutathione powder, add in your lactic acid, Giga White powder. Then stir very well. You can use your hand mixer to stick blend it so that it will blend very well. After you've dissolve your powders in your rose water. Pour the dissolved rose water with your lightening powders into that lotion, then stir it very well. You can use your hand mixer to incorporate it very well, and you're done. But please, I did not remember to tell you to add preservative. Yes, why you need to add preservative into this cream is because you've added in extra water. So because you've added in extra water, you need to add in a preservative. If you're promixing with oil, just ordinary oil, you don't need to add in preservative. But as long as you promix using your lightening powders and you incorporated water into your cream, you need to add in preservative so that it will not go bad. So this is how you can make your lightening or your whitening face cream using your Dr. James milk whitening cream. The key to a beautiful skin is exfoliation. If you don't exfoliate your skin, please don't expect your skincare product to work 100% effectively. Now, you have to also scrub your face. If you want this cream to be 100% effective on you or on your client, you have to recommend exfoliation. At least 2 times in a week, the person should scrub her face to shed off the dead skin cell away from her face. So guys, that is all for today. If you enjoy my little tips, my tutorial, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell below, and please don't also forget to watch the adverts that you see on my channel. Okay guys, thank you very much. Bye.